Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining me this morning. It is Friday morning, the 8th of October, 2021. I had a job to do, which started at 2 a.m. So I left my house at around midnight or so, and I had this glorious video recorded. The whole start of the trip. I did some updates during the trip, but I had an app open that hijacked the audio, and there was no audio that recorded with all of that video. So I was left with just posting a still of the downtown cityscape, and that was it. I was a little bummed about that when I went to go upload it about, 4 hours ago or so, or 3 hours ago. There was no sound, and in fact, there were certain parts of the video that were just cutting out, and like my face was freezing, and then it would catch up to itself. So I rebooted my phone and am now reshooting the whole thing from start to finish. So, like I said, I left my house shortly after midnight. It was probably about quarter after midnight that I left, and I got here just before 1 a.m. And then I shot a video basically talking about how, the efficiency I got, which you can see here, traveled about 43 miles with just over 12 kilowatt hours. Which puts it somewhere around 3.5 or so miles per kilowatt hour, which is pretty decent for nighttime driving. My average is typically 3, like on the nose, 3 kilowatt, three miles per kilowatt hour is typically my average. But you know what? The job was successful. It's now 6:39 in the morning. It is hotter as can be because in this parking structure there's no ventilation. Obviously there's no sun outside yet, or if there is, it's very low on the horizon. But somehow this parking structure always seems to be in the middle of a heat wave. So there's no ventilation, nothing. It always smells like old grease from the restaurants and just general garbage from the lack of care. But anyway, all that aside, I do have some breakfast here that I'm going to chow down here in a minute. But I have great news for you guys. You guys are going to love this. Part of the video that I recorded earlier said that I didn't have time originally to do research, but this research fell into my lap literally, let's say 15 minutes ago. It is an email that I got titled Important Safety Update on Your EV. It's from Mr. Steve Hill, VP of Chevy, and he writes that we are grateful for your patience as we work to advance solutions for your Chevrolet Bolt EV/EUV. Our team is diligently working on solutions to address key concerns we know you are having during this time. Here's the good news. Initial replacement battery modules for both Bolt EVs and EUVs have begun shipping to certain Chevy EV dealers. If your battery was manufactured during specific build timeframes where we believe battery defects appear to have been clustered, you will be among the first to be scheduled for repair. Once your replacement battery modules are available, you will receive a communication from us asking you to contact your preferred EV dealer to schedule a service appointment. Once service is complete, your battery will be covered by an 8-year, 100,000-mile limited parts warranty. Here's kind of the kick in the face, folks. The battery module repair will take approximately 2 days to complete, and we will provide courtesy or rental vehicle transportation to you during the replacement procedure. Your dealer will have more details regarding transportation options. The service will be performed by Chevy dealer technicians who are specially trained in EV service and who have received detailed instructions on completing these hardware repairs. Okay, it answers a lot of questions, that's for sure. they're also, he's also writing here, we're also on track to begin the rollout of a new advanced diagnostic software by mid-November. Once your software is available, you will receive a communication from us asking you to contact your preferred Chevrolet EV dealer to schedule a service appointment to have the software installed. The diagnostic will be designed to detect specific abnormalities that might indicate a damaged battery in both EV and EUVs by monitoring the battery performance, alerting customers of any anomalies, and prioritizing damaged batteries for replacement. It is our intent that further diagnostic software will allow customers to return to a 100% state of charge once all diagnostic processes are complete. In the meantime, please look out for follow-up communications with an update on your vehicle. Yada yada yada. I'll copy and paste this in the description below. I just thought I'd read that out loud because to me this was like the highlight of my day, and I haven't gone to bed yet, so technically this is the highlight of my Thursday, my end of day. But anyway, you guys have been great in the comments. I did mention that in the other video that I ended up tossing, but I really appreciate all of the comments, the feedbacks, the thoughts, the words, you know, all of it. You guys are always great in the comments, and I really appreciate that greatly. I hope that to the folks who have been having a hard time with their Chevy Bolt EV, you know, trusting it to do what it needed to do and, you know, be as solid and reliable as it was designed to be, I hope that this gives you a little bit of peace of mind. You know, they do have, you know, a plan in place, and they're executing it thoroughly. So, you know, take it for what it's worth. I, for one, can't wait. You know, my car's 11 months old. It was, you know, it was literally manufactured right before Thanksgiving last year. And it took a 3-week train ride from Michigan to Los Angeles. And it was the best day of my life. And every time I get into this car, I have a smile on my face because I love this car. You know, I'm sitting in it right now. I'm talking to you guys from it. And I can't imagine right now having another vehicle. In fact, I don't know how I'm going to handle this rental, you know, that they're supposedly giving. I think I'm just going to, I don't know, maybe work from home during those days and just see if my wife can drop me off and pick me up or whatever. Or I drop the car off and she takes me home or whatever. And then I'll just work from home for 2 days because I don't want a gas car unless they're giving out other EVs, which they probably won't because they're all under recall. So it is what it is, but I thought I would share this with you guys because this day went from 0 to pretty much hero here all in 45 minutes. So for me, that's great news, and I hope that you guys get some good news out of this as well. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Have a great Friday and an even better weekend ahead. As always, you guys are awesome. And until next time, bye-bye.